Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Rafli Revansyah. I'm from ET10, Ria Cilegon and Serang. Now I will tell you about my favorite food. My favorite food is shrimp sauce Padang. This food comes from Padang, but this food is very popular in Indonesia because if you go to restaurant in Indonesia, almost of them present this food. For me, it's so delicious because this food tastes spicy and savory. Because in this food has a lot of seasoning. By the way, now I want to tell you how to make shrimp sauce Padang. Ingredients: 1. 1500 gram of medium-sized shrimp. Wash. Do not need skin removed. 2. 3 scallion. 3. 5 cm galangal. 4. 3 lime leaves. 5. 1 tablespoon cooking oil for saute. Ground spices. 1. 8 large piece of chili. 2. 6 red onion. 3. 2 cm turmeric. 4. 2 cm ginger. 5. 2 tomatoes. 6. 1 tablespoon salt. How to make? 1. Soak ground spices until fragrant. Pot lime leaves and galangal. 2. Enter the shrimp that have been cleaned and cook until shrimp change color. Add garlic, leave immediately. 3. Shrimp sauce Padang are ready to eat. Good luck. If you want to be able to speak English like me, register now. Many thanks for me. Thank you for watching.